Good morning. We are this morning in Dealer Italia, here in Romania, and this is a Caffini brand machine. It's a Model Global 3000. It is a boom sprayer made for medium-sized to large-sized farmers. It can go up to 24 meters, but you have, of course, other models with different widths of the boom. This is in the transport mode, so you see the boom is folded. It can be transported by a tractor or by any other machine. It's a trailered machine, or better, a semi-mounted machine, because part of the weight will be on the hook when the machine is being trailered. The model is a 3000. It means that the tank content is 3000 liters. That's why the machine is supposed to be used in medium and large size farms. What is important in this machine? Of course, we have the tank here where the chemical and the water are inside, but we have a premixer here. A premixer, we can see it inside. It's where the chemical is mixed with water at the beginning, and then it goes in the main tank, where there is another mixer, agitator it's called technically, who has the purpose to maintain the same concentration in every part of the tank. This is very important, because if we have a different concentration, let's say in the bottom here, or in the top here, we will spray only water or very high concentration of chemical. And high concentration means that we may also have a bad harvest. Another detail about this machine. It's compulsory by European regulation, but not all machines in the European market have, because there is no properly checking of the devices on the machine. You see here, if we open the premixer, this small device here. What does its function? When I have a container with a chemical, a plastic, normally it's a plastic container. I put a chemical here, then the water premixer goes in the tank. I use the machine, but I have a container with some residual of high concentration chemical. I have to wash it. I cannot throw it away, just throw away and polluting the environment. So I put it here. This is a sprinkler. Water will come out at high pressure. It will wash the container, and the container will be clean. So I will throw away a clean container, and I will not pollute the environment. The boom is now in the folded position. As I told before, the boom will be open, so it will be 24 meter, this model. And what is important about the boom? The boom is the device giving the distribution, where the chemical goes from the machine into the soil. We have nozzles here. You see the nozzles. They can be changed according to the kind of chemical treatment we want to give. The machine is equipped with 3 different nozzles, so we can change them on the field. Of course, not while the machine is operating. Here we see for the filling system, the inspection in the tank, everything. Of course, the machine is equipped with filters, proper filters. You know very well that the color of the filter is stating the mesh, the size of the filter. So what the filter is filtering. This is also interesting here, because you see 3000. 3000 is the maximum level, up to 0. What does it mean? That according to the tank size content, the driver from the tractor can see also how much chemical is in the tank. Of course, it's an isobus machine. Isobus means that it can be equipped with the latest isobus technology. Isobus means one device in the tractor for every implement. Then we see the hydraulic devices for the opening and closing of the booms. Another important feature of this machine is the fact that the chemical is not going to the rubber pipes. These rubber pipes are for the hydraulic system. You see there is even a double protection here. But it's going to the steel pipe, the chemical. The rubber is only where there is a junction between different parts of the boom. And this is assuring a better quality also and a longer duration of the equipment. So less maintenance and longer duration. And that's very, very important. And what is that? This is one of the most important parts of the machine, because before going to work, going on our tractor and perform the work in the field, here we have a series of devices to regulate before the work the machine. But we have also This is to wash our hands. So if we had washed the chemical container, we use the premixer, then maybe we have some residual. Of course, we should have gloves, not just hands, but we can immediately wash here because pure water will come out. We have the filters. You see, all the filters are quite accessible, visible, so easy maintenance. Everything is very easy. And here we can control everything after the premixing, filling the tank, and being ready to go on the field to perform the best work we can have. Another important feature of this machine is the fact that we have all the electric valves. What do they do here? It seems rather complicated, but it's very simple to explain. This is a system assuring that the distribution of the chemical on the field is properly done. And it's the same amount of chemical in every field part, because this is important when you make a chemical treat. A full coverage of the crop, but not a double coverage, because double coverage means waste of chemical, waste of money, and damage on the crop. So they are assuring that they can control all the nozzles, and all the nozzles of the 24-meter wide boom will give the same amount of chemical in every part of the soil and the crop, of course.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to First Farm Asia for more agricultural videos.